They're off. We've got a speed scramble at the start of the race. Yanong Rikit shows alertness, and so Simply Gold. Then comes time will reveal by Darrell Harrier. In between horses with Prince Larry, then followed over by Hammer It Home. One moving upon the inside is the Lord Gold. Bumpy Johnson second last, while 10 Henry is the early trailer. Willing down the back, we've got Yanong Rikit, the early leader by about 2 lengths, and in second Harrier running in third. Simply Gold. Time will reveal comes next. Prince Larry is in fifth alongside. Moving up now is Hammer It Home. Lord Gold now starting to stretch out well to Tell Henry second last, while Bumpy Johnson now in behind them. Last 600 meters, Yanong Rikit followed closely now by Harrier. Simply Gold still in third, and in fourth time will reveal Lord Gold now in fifth alongside Hammer It Home. Then moving up on the outside, Tell Henry, Prince Larry, and Bumpy Johnson. Yanong Rikit just in front, then rushing up now and throwing a challenge is Harrier. And they are now entering the home stretch. Yanong Rikit in the middle. Lord Gold moving up by Darrell Harrier, draws back in third, and it's still Yanong Rikit, followed by Lord Gold on the inside. Yanong Rikit, Lord Gold, Yanong Rikit, Yanong Rikit and Lord Gold, and finally it's going to be a close finish between Lord Gold and Yanong Rikit. Then comes Harry.
Sino yung quinto? Bumpy Johnson?
Malalaman natin sa
Parang
slow mo
Bumpy
yan.
Johnson yata eh. 50,183 na iwan dyan sa pick 6. Kung 4. Kung 1, 3,815 na lang.
Ayan na. Alright, ito ang ginawang tempo. Tapos magsuslow mo na tayo. 16, 24, 25, 29, 1 minute 34. Sarado sa 14.50. Ito na po. Ibang, ayan. Diyan, parang lamang na yung 4 eh.
Parang nababalikan pa nga siya ng uno.
Uno sa labas. Hop, ito na meta. Alright, may mga nagdesisyon na. Ako eh, medyo may isusulat na rin.
Teka, sandali. Tignan ko lang yung sino yung quinto.
2. Ang pangatlo.
7.
7.
Parang 8 yata ito.
Montres.
Prince Larry.